News coming in now from the Supreme Court, where the fight between governments and governors is escalating, and the Supreme Court has now come out with strong observations as far as governors' actions in Punjab are concerned. We are gathering more information as far as the observations go. We're given to understand that the CJI has come down very heavily to go on to say that the governor cannot sit in judgment if the session was valid or not. Even going on to ask the Punjab governor if you realize that you're playing with fire. Some strong observations there coming to the fore. Remember, several governments, state governments have approached the Supreme Court against the governor as far as pending bills go. Punjab was the first state to have knocked on the Supreme Court's door as far as the governor actions go. Now, the Supreme Court coming down very, very heavily on the governors in this effect, especially the Punjab governor, going on to say that as far as passage of bills is concerned, don't deflect the course of bills passed by duly elected assembly. It's a matter of serious concern, was what the CJI observed. Ananya, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Ananya, we're given to understand that an order has not been passed just yet. There is a small recess, but some very strong observations coming to the fore.
Well, definitely strong observations coming in from the apex court of the country. In fact, from the mouth of the topmost judge of the country, the Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, very, very clearly, wrapping up the Punjab governor for his action, clearly saying that, do you realize you're playing with fire? Is what the CJI had to say. He further went on to say that governors can't sit in judgment to the session, whether a such session which was called by the Speaker is valid or not. He also went on to say that if such a power is given to the governors, then will we be remaining a parliamentary democracy or not? The Supreme Court had a very, very stern view when it comes to the actions of governor, at least in the state of Punjab, where the matter is particularly being heard of. With regards to Tamil Nadu, the matter has been postponed for a few weeks. And very, very categorically, when it comes to the Punjab government versus the Punjab governor, the Supreme Court has a very, very serious view to take. Remember that the Supreme Court had taken a break for lunch and would be reassembling in a short while from now, when a formal order would be passed. But these strong observations coming in and clearly raising questions on the action of the governor in the state of Punjab is very, serious concern, and we'll
absolutely. And we have two other states who've also knocked on the doors of the Supreme Court. Whether this is used as precedent in those cases as well, that is something we'll have to look at. Do keep a track of what happens when the court reconvenes. But for the moment, Ananya, thank you so much for getting us the latest. With that, it's time for a quick break here on this edition. But news and updates continue on CNN News 18. Don't go anywhere.